Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Reena.MayyBeauty. So in this video today I'll be showing you guys a little demo on these hair extensions that I have here, and these are the Koko Couture hair extensions. Well, this is a one-piece one of their ombre selection. So I do have the silver grey with the black to match my hair, obviously. So yeah, this quality of synthetic hair is absolutely amazing. I love this quality, and they do good hair extensions. So this is their hair care instructions at the back of the packaging, which I find really helpful and good, just in case you don't know how to look after hair extensions, synthetic ones. And this is the Koko Couture hairspray that I do have, and I obviously used it on their hair, which actually makes it so much better. So this is a 5-clip piece extension, so I'll be applying this now. I'm going to zoom in slightly and apply the hairpiece for you guys. So I'm just taking half of my hair and pinning it up, and half of my hair leaving it down, and then in the middle of that I'll be applying the one-piece hair extension, which fits absolutely perfect. Like, the length of the hair extension, absolutely perfect, as you'll be seeing in a second when I turn to the side. See, as you can see, it just clips on very easily. You don't need much effort at all. So yeah, so I'll just do that quickly. So now that is all done, I'm just unpinning my hair from the top and just adjusting the hair where it needs to be. So as you can see, it absolutely just blends through with actual my hair. So it blends through really well, as you can see. So just adjusting it. It does get a little bit knotty at times, but once it's combed out properly, it's fine. As you can see, it looks really nice and neat now. So that is that. So yeah, I really like these hair extensions. If you want to know more, just leave a comment below. Thank you guys. See ya.